Hey guys, good morning. What's up? It is another beautiful weekend. So I've been up running around. I'm getting ready to go into Bath and Body Works because wallflowers are on sale. I just came out of Home Depot and got some stuff that I need to do the house with, so I'm trying to get the house in order. I know last weekend you guys saw me clean up and everything. That is continuing this weekend. So I just got some Folex and some garbage bags and things like that out of the Home Depot. I just said I'm gonna get some smell good fragrances for the house out of Bath and Body Works, but then I also need to go to the Hobby Lobby. I have a return to make, and I just got a lot going on this weekend. But the most exciting thing is the floors in the kitchen are finally getting done. The floors in the kitchen are getting done this weekend. My contractor is supposed to be here this afternoon to start on the floors. I'm really hoping that it's just a one-day process. It's literally just the kitchen, so I don't understand why it would take longer, but it may take another day, you know. I don't know. In my head I'm preparing for it to be 2 days just because it's flooring, but I'm so excited, y'all. It's finally getting done. It's finally getting done. I don't know if I showed the clip of me actually looking at the flooring, but if not, I'll insert it here. I also need to get my nails done, but I have not gotten my nails done simply because I have been doing a lot of things around the house, and one of the things that I want to also do is paint an accent wall in the kitchen, and it's gonna be a green color. So we're gonna do a dark green. Now some of these are brown. Don't look at my nail, y'all. Let me take out the brown. Some of these are brown because I'm also gonna change up my bedroom a little bit. So my bedroom is black, but I'm gonna add more chocolate in there for fall. I don't know. Part of me wants to repaint the wall, and then the other part of me feels like I don't need to repaint the wall. But if I do repaint the black walls in my bedroom, then I'm looking at going with like a deep chocolate color just for the accent part on the because you guys know I have that wallpaper in the middle. If not, I'll insert like a little picture, but I have that wallpaper in the middle, and so these colors actually would go with the wallpaper just like the black. But anyway, so the kitchen is what my focus is right now, and just a few things that I have known for a while that I've needed to get done in the house. So anyway, these are the greens that I picked up. I am leaning more towards the ones that are giving green black, like this one, what is this? Potting soil. This one is black bamboo. Now I like Northwoods, but Northwoods is coming off more green than I would have thought. But I like this one. I'm looking like that because I'm actually seeing what they look like on camera. This is giving kind of gray. Anyway, it's probably gonna be between these two. So I gotta go get paint samples so that we can do that as well. Now the painting part, maybe that'll be next weekend or weekend after that. I don't know. It's not necessarily a priority for today, but I do want to go ahead on and clean up, and then I have a partner collaboration video that I also need to film that is part of cleaning up. Anyway, y'all, got my coffee. Yeah, and it's really good. So anyway, about to go in BBW. I think they're open. I hope they're open. It's not 10 o'clock yet. It's only 9:53, but I know a lot of stores have been opening earlier.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Good, you?
Good. It looks good.
Huh?
It looks really good.
Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is over.
I am in love with these floors. My floors, they look so good. I can't wait to spread it out across the other part of the house. But my floors, baby, they are giving everything they're supposed to give. I am so happy. This was the wall before. Jalen's big feet are in the way, and her shadow and everything else. Good grief. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. The clown shoes still in the way.
Memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only one to turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby,
Alright guys, so here is the wall that I did last time. I didn't show you guys the finished product. And then the art light, of course, comes on. Is it dead? Yeah, I think the art light is dead, child. Yeah, I am so sorry, but that light is dead. But anyway, you'll see it in other videos. So this is the wall. Now, my green wall that I just did is coming off black. Let's cut some light on. It looks really dark on camera, y'all, but it is actually a pretty hunter green. I want you guys to see what it looks like without these pictures. I had these pictures on the wall before I painted it, and I don't know that I still want those up there. I actually don't. So I'm gonna turn this into a sexy wine wall. I want this to be a sexy wine wall. And of course I need to touch up the doors because a little bit of splatter got on the white doors, so I'm gonna repaint those. Initially I was gonna do black, but because this wall is dark green, I'm not gonna do it. And I hate that the color is not coming off. Hold on, let's see, maybe if you can see the color better from this angle. Can you guys see that it's green from this angle? I feel like it's still coming off a little darker, but the point was for it to be like a really green black, and essentially that's what I got. So I'm gonna turn this into a sexy wine wall, y'all. We're taking those pictures down. I'm gonna show you what it looks like without the pictures up here. I'm about to order a wine rack. I want one that's gonna blend in with my new floors. The green against my floors, y'all, looks so good. I love them. You guys will see that in the next maybe couple videos or so, because I may want to do some other things, and again I have to touch up those doors with the paint. So, but it looks so good. Okay, now you can kind of see it's a little green, I guess. As part of Jalen's help with the upkeep of our new floors, she's using the Feppo Steam Mop. Now this steam mop came with a detachable handle. It also has multi-purpose brush heads that can be used for floors. You can use it for showers, any area of your home. It also came with 2 different mop pads, and those are washable and reusable. And the steam that comes up, you can actually see that it's really deep cleaning the floor. Now, the one thing I will say about this being LVP is I am doing my research on using steam mops on LVP flooring, because I do know that wet, warm, a lot of wet moisture can cause buckling and everything like that. So I'm going to do my research, but I do love the way that it did clean out floors, and I love that you could see the streaks. When you see the streaks, honey, it's no difference than the vacuum cleaner in the streaks. But right, as of so far, I am loving it, and we just filled that top part with water and a little bit of cleaner, and yeah, she really loves using it as well.
I should've known better, baby.
So I already took off the pretty bow. They had it wrapped. beautiful bow. Best thing. All right, I had just figured this out, right? Ooh. What is it? I'm so intrigued. What is it? Oh my gosh! It's a Olak! It's a baby Olak necklace! I'm so excited! Thank you, baby! Isn't that beautiful? It's the Elf is Fendi. I gotta put it on. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday to me. I have my free vanilla cream grande. It's my birthday! I have on nothing. I was supposed to have my makeup done by now. Hey guys, it's my birthday. It's a really chill, relaxing birthday. We're about to go inside of Oi breakfast and lunch bar. Heading into Oi. I had to put the bricks back and I got potatoes. It's my first time tasting everything. The potatoes are good. That's good queso. Let's see what that tastes like. Just the potato and the queso.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
We went to the Nike store. Got some Nike clothes. And then we have these. This color is pretty. And then, is this the blue? The green. This is a pretty color green. From Babe. Check it. It's another gift from my babe. Let's see.
Oh, it's another vest.
Is it the vest that I wanted y'all hate on so much?
I know it ain't the Michael Jackson.
It better be.
Is it the Michael Jackson?
Hey, it's my brown mic.
So Mama loves brown. She got some brown Michael Jackson.
They hate on these, y'all. They hate on these so much, but they so comfortable. And the thing is, I'm gonna wear them regardless. So you might as well just get them.
Can I get them a closer look?
She got her brown Michael Jackson.
I love these. I actually.
She loves brown Michael Jackson. Bad.
I actually need some more black ones too.
Can I get
So.
a closer look?
But y'all, these are so comfortable. Like if you just want to run out or whatever, and you don't feel like always putting on tennis shoes. Like today, ooh, I have on these dunks. I don't always want to wear dunks, so these just, yeah, they slip on, you slide them on your feet and get out the house.
Welcome back to the sad girl part. Old familiar restart.
Today is my mom's birthday, so I'm about to head and get some I already got her presents, but I need to get like a gift bag and some gift wrap, birthday gift wrap, and tissue paper. So that's what I'm about to do. I just made breakfast in-house. I'm not going to get no breakfast for a change, but it is so cold. I need to put some on my lips. Oh my gosh, I'm looking so crusty. Oh, I look so crusty. It's also National Candle Day, but I don't want any candles, surprisingly. Like, I don't need any candles like that. I think I've been buying stuff from them all year long, and so like I have like definitely don't need any more Christmas candles. Now if I want to stock up on like spring scents, that I can do, and I might do that. But as far as like just needing them. I don't need them. I would just be buying stashes to like put up pretty much. So anyway, let's go out. It's cold outside. Oh, but I go to my birthday dinner tonight. I totally forgot to talk about that. So today is my mom's birthday, but it is also my official birthday weekend, December 6th. So I'm going out to dinner tonight, me and babe. Small dinner. I didn't want to do like a group thing like last year, a big fuss, whatever, you know what I'm saying. I just wanted to keep it real intimate. So I need to go get my toes done because they're a hot mess. Even though chances are great, I'm gonna show you what I bought as my birthday outfit. But I have pointed toe shoes that I think I'm gonna actually wear out because it's supposed to be in the low 30s tonight. And it is freezing cold. And then to take like pictures, I had bought some sandals, and so I'll probably just use the sandals to take pictures in, and then the pumps to wear out because I'm not gonna be out here in my sandals. It's not that serious, not this year.
Happy birthday to
Oh.
Happy birthday, dear Granny. Happy birthday
To you and many more.
Woo!
Her birthday goodies.
6, 6, 7 in silver glitter.
I grabbed these two. What, the camel stink? What's your... Oh, that's pineapple mango.
Yeah, no.
Oh, I'll get one of those. Even watermelon lemonade. Alright, so I'm just gonna be able to get like 3. Happy birthday. Thank you.
We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite song.
Is there something you'd like to say to me for my birthday? Would you like to give me a birthday message?
I'm a mad fashion. Not a
Ooh, keep it going.
Happy birthday to me. The babies are out. It's been another wonderful trip around the sun. 41. Cheers to me.
How are you guys doing? Can I wrap this up for you guys or no?
We're gonna have to wrap it up.
Okay, no
We'll just
problem.
take the remainder.
Okay, no problem. Yes, please do take your card. We make them special for you guys, and it literally hurts to talk to those away.
You're about to find a bit.
I didn't even notice everybody's, all the staff signs to back. It's so cute. So I'm gonna take this home, and the burgundy matches my dress.
I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your